Yes guys, you know what's going on. I made a post on roasting CN Queen, and that got 100 votes, and I made a release date of that video. Now it's time, let's get into the video. But spoiler alert, it's very cringe and contains words that is not appropriate. Bro, you don't pay taxes, plus they're the cops plus El Bozo plus ratio.
Me puse a bailar cueca a lo choro tiki 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 taca taca ta teque teque 9 ratatatata y me fui corriendo a
Okay, next video. Okay guys, that's the end of the video. I got very sick of those videos, and I hope YouTube terminate her channel and NPCQUEEN.
Reset her character now.